How to transfer funds. After logging into the back office, select Transactions on the left panel. Then select Funds Transfer. Here, you will have two options of self-transfer or other member transfer. You can select self-transfer if you want to transfer funds to your account. If you want to transfer funds to other members, you can select Other Member Transfer option. First, let's select Self-Transfer. You will have two options, e-wallet and reward wallet. We will select e-wallet for this tutorial. Enter the amount and then select Submit. If you want to transfer funds to another member, select Other Member Transfer. Type in the username you wish to transfer funds to. Then enter the amount you want to transfer, and then click Submit. A one-time password will be sent to your registered email. Open your registered email and copy the code. Paste the code in the window and select Validate.